When I first started filming videos, one of the things that held me back was looking at myself on camera. I just couldn't bear it. It was so cringy to see myself on camera. And one thing that gave me more confidence was discovering virtual beauty filters. Virtual beauty filters simply smooth things out a little bit, smooth out your skin, and that helped me to feel more confident on camera. You don't need any special equipment or any special background or lighting. All you need is simply your smartphone and a free Instagram account. I'm going to walk you through the process that I use to film my video content in the Instagram Reels app using these digital beauty filters, and download those files to my phone, and then you can edit the content wherever you like. I use the InShot mobile app to edit on my phone, but you can use CapCut or whatever app you have for video editing on your phone, or of course you could also edit the files on your desktop computer if you prefer. Let's dive right in. You can see I have the Instagram app open here. I happen to be on my profile in the bottom right-hand corner here, but anywhere you are on Instagram, you should be able to see the menu, navigation menu in the bottom of the app. And we're going to go ahead and click on the plus sign in the bottom middle to open up the create content function. And we're going to want to slide in the very bottom here along to the reel section. And if it doesn't automatically open up the reel camera, we're going to need to click on the camera icon to open up the reel camera. Of course, you will need to give Instagram permission to access your camera and microphone if you have not done that before. So here we are in the Instagram Reels camera. And the first thing we want to do, see this tiny little drop down right here? The first thing you want to do is adjust the time frame. I did have a client who, let's open this up here by tapping on that little guy here. You can see it opens up some more features in the camera. You want to make sure the length is set to, you can see it gives you an option of 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 90 seconds, or 3 minutes. And you might even see longer potentially, but put it at the maximum length. We don't necessarily have to film that long, but we don't want to get interrupted by having it cut us off in mid-filming. So be sure to select the longest length possible. So in this case, we're going to just select 3 minutes, okay? You might see a longer length. Hint, hint, more time could be coming in future. But anyway, currently in this account, 3 minutes is the maximum length. So here we are in the Instagram camera. We have selected the maximum length. I'm going to hit this little close function just to collapse that area there so I can see the screen better. The next thing I want to do is turn on my virtual beauty filter. So again, you don't need any special equipment or any special background. You simply click on this little sparkly icon right here, and you can see there's a whole world of filters in here. Stick around to the end and I'll show you how to find and save or bookmark filters for future use. But in this case, I'm going to go directly to my saved filters here in the top or in the middle left-hand side. And I've got some saved that I like to use. There's one in particular called Natural that I like. So I'm going to just tap my finger here on Natural. And also, if you can turn filters on and off too, if you try something and you don't like it, there's all kinds of other filters in here. So here's an example of a silly fun one. So if you turn on a filter and you don't like it, just scroll back up to the top and click on No Effect, okay? And that'll just turn it off, period. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on Natural here, and then I can simply tap my finger on my video on the top just to open it up wide again, and you can see how this filter has smoothed out a little bit. So I'll turn it off for a quick second, no effect, and we'll go back in. You can see there's my wrinkles a little bit on the forehead. So let's go back into the filter. I'm going to turn it back on. I'm going to go to my saved function here in the left. I'm going to tap on Natural. Then I'm going to click on my video to get back to the full screen. And you can see here, when I raise my forehead, it just smooths out the skin a little bit. So there we go. Now we've got the filter turned on and we are ready to record. So here's the process. The record function is this white circle down below. So as I take my finger, I'm going to tap right on this circle right here, and I'll start my recording. Now I can do the first take here. Hello, my name is Julie Selby with Sandy Social Marketing Training, and in this video I'm going to teach you, etc., etc. Then I can take my finger and I can tap on that circle again to pause my recording. So you can see I've recorded the first little bit. So what I'll do is, say I have 3 points I want to make in a video, for example. I might do a couple of different takes in one clip, and then I'll download that clip to my phone. I used to torture myself with like 1,000,000 takes per point, bullet point, but I try not to do that anymore. I try to force myself to do maybe 2 or 3 takes of my point, and then I download it and move on with my life, because otherwise you can torture yourself in editing if you do too many takes. So let's say that was take number 1. Let's try a second take. So again, you can see we've got lots of space because we picked 3 minutes. So this little pink line around here, that shows kind of how much of the recording time you have already used up of your 3 minutes. Okay, so let's go ahead and tap that again. And you can also see as you're recording the timer up here in the top. So say this is my second take. Hello, I'm Julie Selby with Sandy Social Marketing Training, and in this video I'm going to teach you da 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 da. There's my second take. Okay, then I'm going to hit the stop function again in the bottom. Okay, let's imagine I just wanted to try 2 takes of that particular bullet point, and I'm ready now to download this file to my phone. Remember, you can download this file right to your photo roll on your phone, and then you can edit it in any program you want, whether it's a mobile editor on your phone or iPad, or you can edit it on your desktop, because you can take those files and do whatever you want with them. But to get to the download function, we're going to need to click on Next in the bottom right-hand corner. Okay, then I'm going to slide over here, and I have paused my video now. I just tapped my finger on the screen. So again, you can tap your finger on the screen to play, or tap your finger on the screen to pause. This little guy right here, this little download function, will download this video file to your phone. So let's go ahead and click on the download function right here. And that'll take a second, maybe a little longer, depending on how long you filmed, and saved. Voila, now that video file is downloaded to your phone. If you wanted to go out of the app and just double check the first couple of times and make sure that your file's saved, that you have it in your camera roll, you can do that. Now let's say we wanted to move on to filming bullet point number 2. So let's hit the back arrow. We're going to back right out of the camera here. And I don't want to start again on this filming, because I want to just escape right out of here. I don't want to have the same video that we just filmed go on to that clip that I've already filmed. Okay, this was the clip we've already filmed. We've already downloaded it. So we're going to just click the X in the top left-hand corner, and we're going to just close right out of the camera. We're going to click Start Over. Okay, so you just have to remember, when you go back to the camera, your filter's not on. So you have to remember to turn it on. Notice it'll also show the special effects filters in the bottom here. So if you're using a special effects filter, you might see it pop up there, so you might find it there. But if you don't, once again, we're going to just tap on the little sparkles to get to the filter function here. And I'm going to go to my saved in the middle on the left. And I'm going to tap on my natural filter here. The only thing I would warn about filters, just be careful with the filters you choose that they don't, change the shape of your nose or change the shape of your mouth or make things, look too different than they are. I like to pick a simple filter that just smooths things out a little bit. Okay, so now we're ready to record bullet point number 2. I'm going to go ahead and tap on the camera to start recording. In this video, I'm going to show you my process of how I film using the beauty filters in the Instagram built-in Reels camera. Okay, take number 1. I'm going to hit the dot again. So tapping the record and the pause function I find is very useful, especially if I'm filming and I'm just flubbing my words, or maybe I get a little tickle in my throat and I need to, just grab a quick sip of water, or you need a little break to just kind of gather your thoughts. Maybe you need to get your Post-it note again, like I do, get that Post-it note, refresh your memory on what it was that you wanted to say. I went away, I did in the very beginning try scripting in teleprompters, but I found that I was a bit robotic in the videos, so I found it over time, I found it easier to just write some post-it notes with bullet points, and that actually worked better and comes off more natural in the videos. So let's say I'm ready to do the second take of bullet point number 2. I'm going to go back to my camera. I'm going to tap on the record function again. In this video, I'm going to show you my process of how I use Instagram's beauty filters to film my videos. And then I'm going to tap my finger on the pause function again. Okay, so I've got 2 takes there, so you could do more takes if you want, but again, remember, done is better than perfect, and you don't want to torture yourself once you get to the editing process with too many takes to choose from. If you're a perfectionist like me, that's going to be an ongoing struggle. So from here, once again, we're going to click next. I'm going to tap my finger on the screen to just pause the speaking so that we can't hear the audio on this video. But you could also, in this point, you could also watch the video. You could tap the screen and hit play, pause. You can tap the screen and just watch the video. And if you're not happy with those takes, you could start that process again. Or if you're like good enough and you want to slide along the bottom, here's that download function in the bottom right-hand corner. We're going to simply click download, and voila, it has now saved that video clip to your camera roll. Again, when you're first doing this, if you want to just double check, make sure, close out of the app, just take a quick peek in your photo roll to make sure it has in fact saved that video footage in your camera roll. That's not a bad idea. And you just repeat this process. So say if I had bullet point number 3, I would go up again to the top, click that top left. Again, hit the X in the top left-hand corner. I'm going to click Start Over. And just remember every time that you want to turn that beauty filter back on, because the beauty filter is not on at this moment. So you're going to want to tap up here, click that again. And we're going to tap on our saved in the top, in the middle left here, and then click on New Natural. And then tap your finger here to get back to that full screen. And now we're back to being ready to record again. And remember, record, pause is your friend. So use that process to film that next bullet point that you want to film, and then download that content right to your phone. And finally, I want to show you how to find the beauty filters in Instagram, in the Instagram special effects filters, and how to save them so you have them handy for future filming. Because Instagram has made some changes. I think they removed quite a few of the filters that were special effects filters that were in the app. So let's tap on again the special effects filter here. And there is actually a search function right kind of hidden here in the left-hand side in the very middle left. And so you're going to just tap your finger on the magnifying glass for the search. And I'm going to type, you can type beauty filter or just beauty, for example. And you can see there's quite a few still to choose from in here. So you can look through, and every time you tap one, be sure to tap the full view so that you can get in there. Well, I don't like that one. Some of them have makeup, which you may not want. You may like some of them that have makeup, but you may not like them. So if you, I'll show you how to find the simple one that I used in this tutorial. But for example, if you found one and you do like it, notice there's that little ribbon icon, save ribbon. So if you want to save that one, just tap your finger on that little ribbon icon. Notice it shades it solid. And that way, then when you go to your saved function in future, you'll find that beauty filter there. Let's go back into the beauty filter icon area here. And I want to go back to the search function in the middle left. The one that I like, the author of these special effects filters that are my favorite, is rclayton. So rclayton. And rclayton without a space. And you'll see these ones come up. Natural is my favorite one, and that's the one I used in this tutorial. So click on natural, and you can see, and then I'm going to tap my finger on the top to go full view again. Okay, and you can see that filter's on. Notice I already have it saved or shaded there. So I've got this one saved for future reference. So when you go back into the beauty filter area here, I'm gonna go click cancel to get out of the search that I was in. You'll see there is my saved area. So if I tap on, say, so next time I go into film, I can open up the camera right away. I can tap on my saved filter, and there we go. I've got my natural right there. There's the one I just found, that other one. So it saves kind of in the order, it shows them in the order that they were most recently saved. So if I wanted to go back to that makeup one, I can tap my finger on that, or natural. Or once again, if you don't want to have a filter, just scroll back up and click on no effect right here. And that would be no filter. So that's how you use the built-in Instagram Reels camera to be able to film yourself with the virtual special effects beauty filters so you can show up more confidently on camera and export those video files to your phone so that you can then edit them in any video editing tool of your choice. I hope this helps you to feel more confident when you're filming your videos for your small business. Thanks for watching. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it.